you doing today? My name is Bernardo Hall. I'm here at Demontration today. I'm going to be performing how to lay beads here using this welder here. And what it is called stick welding. Okay, now so basically what we're doing, we're using direct current electricity. It's energizing this stick here, depending on the size, depending on your amperage, how thick the metal is and how thick your bead will be. Now this is just with Fabrication Basics. We're not welders, but it is a basic fabrication that we do here in Bead World. So in order, before we get started, number one, we need to make sure we got our safety equipment on. This is very dangerous right here. You can be severely burned. That's why I got this protective covering my arms to protect against this is melting metal. You get burned here. You know, you got to have your gloves on. You got to have your protection on. And importantly, you got to have your welding helmet. This is the only thing that's going to protect your eyes. You will blind yourself if you do not wear this. So we get the safety stuff out of the way. We want to go over this. This is called a stinger. This is what holds that stick. This is what you'll actually be using to go ahead and you know, use that stick in order to manipulate that bead that you're doing. Okay, and then we go over here and we will set our amperage to the actual machine. So this actual amperage is set the amperage between, you know, usually this is the norm between 90 and 120. But in order to get that thicker bead, or you have a thicker metal, we want to bring the amperage up higher. We're just going to stay right here at 120. And what I'm going to do is just relay a basic bead, just giving you a demonstration on what we're doing. So I got it all for safety reasons. We want to always be safe, making sure we're being safe, because this is very dangerous. Again, very dangerous. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on it. Again, we got this welding helmet on. When I turn it on, get started, we'll get prepared. I just turned it on. I'm gonna give my partner a time to adjust his because he's shooting this video for me. And I'm just gonna lay a bead here just like I see right here. You know, we've been practicing here with several beads, so I'm gonna just go ahead and just give you a bead. All right, we're ready? How you doing, bro? What we're doing is we're establishing an arc when we strike against the metal on here. And what we do, we're going to keep that stick down, and that's what keep that current in that stick to create that bead to melt that metal. So here we go. Here we go. Going a little bit too fast there, but in a situation like this here, we're just doing a demonstration. But after we're done doing this, we want to continue to be safe. No matter if we did mess it up, we want to clean it up, turn this off. So we're taking this right here, this pit, and we're knocking off the slab. This is extremely hot. You got to think about it. We got 2,000 degrees here melting this metal here. You don't want that stuff to hit you in the face as well either. So see that slag coming off there? actually welding something, we will make sure this is clean, because we don't want whatever it is that we bind it together to break. And that can be done through a bend test. But this has just been Fabrication Basics. My name is Ronald Hall here at Demontration Institute. Thank you for watching.